So your t-statistic is 2.45. And you also know that since the sample size is 24, the degrees of freedom is 23. So here's 23 degrees of freedom, and we'll look for 2.45 since that's the t-statistic we got. That's in between 2.177 and 2.5. The area to the right of this t-critical value, 2.177, is 0.02, or 2%. The area to the right of 2.5 is 0.01, 1%. So that means that the area to the right of 2.45 is between 0.02 and 0.01. Not all t-tables are the same, but as long as you understand how we got this, that's the important part.